Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Hope everything is good today, yeah? Well, let's start our class by saying basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about abstract. As what you have understood that abstract is miniature of an article. In abstract, you can find everything easily, but it doesn't mean that you can get a full information of an article only from abstract, because the most important one is that you can go through, you can read all the information on the article. Now let's discuss about abstract. I would like to share screen to all of you. Okay, I hope it is writable for you all. Look at the information from the title that abstract as a tool for success. Yeah, what does it mean? Why we call that abstract as a tool for success? Because here is it is something that describes your article's topic and argument. So one more, abstract is something that describes your article's topic and argument. It means that your information on your paper, it should be written in the abstract in detail, but not many of the authors wrote a very clear information in their abstract. So I suggest you may write an abstract in detail later when you are going to produce an article to be published in a certain journal. Here is the information that scholar published an article about how she dramatically improved her writing productivity after learning from his workbook to write the abstract first. For some scholars, abstract will be written firstly before continuing to the information of introduction, literature review, or even method. And when we complete this part into finding result or up to the conclusion. Some scholars believe that making abstract firstly can help them to explore their writing. But on the other hand, there are some scholars that believe writing an abstract should be written at the end of, the paper is already finished to write. So which one do you like? It's up to you. Why is writing a good abstract so important? Here is the information for you because it is as the solving problems. Why? Because the writing of an abstract helps you to clarify in your own mind what your article is about. Yeah, again, you have to write an abstract because it is as your guidance, of your paper or your article. And you may check journal template that an abstract should provide several information. You have to fulfill all the information there. If you didn't provide any good information in your abstract, then the reviewer will give back your article, give your article back. Okay, and you have to consider that the writing of abstract should cover several words as the requirements. Let's say 250 up to 300 words, for example. And the second point of the importance of writing an abstract is connecting with editors. Why? How can we connect to the editors Okay, the imagination is like this. When you publish your article in a certain journal, okay, the manager is the editor. The editor will check your writing from your abstract first. Then the editors will say that it is good to be sent to the reviewer. So this is what so-called as the connection of between the writer and the editors. So please, one more, when you publish an article, follow the template, then okay, the editors will check your requirements, your writing requirements, firstly, for example, from your abstract. If you didn't provide any abstract in your article, then the editors will give it back to you, and sometimes you are not permitted to submit your paper again. Means that your paper is rejected. So it will be said then if your paper is rejected, then you have to make sure that everything is good in your writing. This is what is the meaning of connecting with editors. And the third point is that connecting with peer reviewers. Okay, how can I connect with the reviewer, ma'am? After the process from the editors finished, then your paper will be sent to the reviewer. Who are the reviewers? Several reviewers are lecturers of several universities, which is in a team of a certain journal. Let's say, sometimes the editor will inform me that I have a paper to be reviewed. So it is the connection between you as the writer and me as the reviewer. So when you provide your clear writing, means that you connect your idea to me as the reviewer. So this is what the meaning of connecting with the peer reviewers. Okay, the 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth is about getting found. Yeah, most articles are published with abstract these days, in part because such articles are cited twice as often as those having no abstract. So this is what so-called you have to provide an abstract as the purpose of getting found. The abstract is okay something that the readers find there. Okay, the example is like this. When you read an article, mostly you read from the abstract. So this is the connection that you are trying to find the content of the article from the abstract. So this is what the meaning of getting found. Getting read. Okay. Your abstract is essential to persuading business scholar to read your article. When we publish our writing, our purpose is to make our writing popular. When your writing is popular, then many people will read your article. So again, helping readers to get the point of your thinking, your imaginations in your paper is through writing an abstract. So this is what's so-called the meaning of getting read. Getting cited. What is the meaning of getting cited, ma'am? The example is like this. When you write an article in a journal, then your friends, your colleagues, your siblings, maybe, even your lecturers, me, myself, will cite your article. So your name will be popular to my writing. I wrote your name into my writing. So this is the important that, the meaning of getting cited is like this. Just take the example. You read an article I suggested to you about your favorite topic, then you cite the persons or the authors and the journal into your journal. You wrote their identity, you wrote their name, so that's what's so-called getting cited. Hope you understand with the information on the essential part of writing an abstract. Now we move to the ingredients of a good abstract. You may check on your articles you found before to accommodate your understanding in the research to be that they wrote abstract, but you may check whether they have provided a very good ingredients of an abstract or not. Then you have to know what should be written in an abstract. Let's learn together. An abstract should firstly summarize the article. Do you agree? Yes. So that's what's so-called as the miniature of your article. You summarize the article, yeah, not introduce it. So please provide your summary in your abstract. The second is about tell a story. What does it mean? Here, the meaning is that you need to state the puzzle or problem that the article is addressing. So again, after you make the summary of the article, please don't forget to write the problem of your article. So what happened with the reality at the back of your topic? Okay. The third is state the argument and claim for the significance of the argument. Here, you have to reveal your argument about your topic. Okay, you don't need to write it in a long sentences, but one sentence is enough. The fourth is about reveal the most valuable findings. Please write your findings. What happened? What is the result? So you have to provide it. And then you need to write the method. What is the method of your article? Whether it is an action research, whether it is qualitative, quantitative, whether it is an experimental research. There are many methods, and you may choose one method which is suitable with your topic. The next is about using strong verbs, not vague ones. Instead of exploring or examining a subject, your abstract use or demonstrates, okay? Instead of attempt to or tries to, your abstract shows. So please use the verbs of, okay, which is strong. You may say shows, you may accuse, you may demonstrate, okay. Include all the most relevant keywords. Again, when you read an article and then you go to the abstract, you may find a keyword, the keywords of the article or the topic. Then it is a must for you to write keywords below your abstract. Why? Because keywords can be your imagination into, okay, your literature review. How can you write a keywords map? Your keywords can be written from your topic. Then you may elaborate your topic in broad keywords. What I mean is that not only certain information, certain words written in the topic, but you may make it broad. Some authors like this one. We have to continue the next part. How should we write an abstract? Be a self-contained whole. Okay, be a self-contained whole. So your writing should contain whole information of your abstract, but it doesn't mean that your abstract writing will be so long. Report what you did do. So please add information about your activity to argument that your topic is true, then what kind of analysis or something else, so you have to put it. So far, I hope you can understand with the ingredient of abstract. Now, you can underline the information that journal will not permit you to write footnotes for some journal, yeah. Do not include citation, some journal will say that. Do not include quotation, okay. Don't include abbreviation, symbol, or acronym, not all journals. Again, you have to follow the template of the journal. So here is the example for you. Then again, your job is to understand the abstract of your article. You may analyze whether their content is suitable with the requirements posted here or not. If you found that, okay, several points are left by the authors, then your job is not to do the same. So you have to provide a very good abstract. That's all from me. We will continue to our discussion. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.